So, if you kick it through the middle, you get 6 points. But if you miss it, you're only going to score 1.
But if you hit the post, you only get 1 point. So, if you miss the big post and hit the little post on the full, it's a free kick. But, Mr. Bakouris, if the ball bounces before it hits the little post, it's a throw-in.
If you take the ball over the other team's line, it's only 1 point.
But if you do it on purpose, it's a free kick. Do you understand me?
NAB. We don't just sponsor footy, we grow it. Footify Australia at nab.com.au/AFL.